Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can scale up your model in Cura Slicer. So basically what you'll need to do is import a 3D model, and after that what you'll need to do is select on your 3D model, and if you go right here to the scale, you'll be able to scale that up. So you can do that by entering right here by percentage or dimensions, or just you can take and click on your mouse and drag your mouse up by clicking on this blue cube, and you'll be able to scale up your 3D model, as you can see, like that. Or you can just type dimensions and it will do scaling. So you can choose snap scaling or uniform scaling. So select one of those, and let's say I want to only minimize X axis. So what I need to do is just select snap scaling and lower it down, as you can see. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.